received this blanket from my friend Ariel and her family. It's beautiful. Thank you. She knows that I was going to get emotional over this blanket. It's beautiful. And I got these towels from her dad. I like this. This is funny. This one is too. It's too cute. Oh, and this tumbler. Hold on, y'all. It says chef. Let me take this off. Just some amazing stuff. I'm going to use this tonight. But this shit is going to be delicious. Yep. I'm going to start saying this. So thank you. And then I'll feed all you fuckers. Oh, yeah. One more thing. Okay. This one says, in alcohol defense, I've done some dumb shit. I've done some things sober too. Sorry, I can't even. I'm trying to read through the camera, but I can't really see it really good. Friends don't let friends shot alone. Nope, they don't. Hold on, there's two more. Alcohol won't solve your problems, but a shot is worth a shot. Excuse me. And then when life gives you lemons, then when life gives you lemons, use them to take shots. Oh, and then I have this. Hold on, one more thing. And then this. I have to hold on to it because it's on my bed. She believed she could, so she worked her ass off and did it. As you already know, school starts in 2 weeks. Yeah. Hey, y'all. It's been a while. Y'all miss me? I miss y'all.
Where's she at?
Chelsea. Y'all, it is still snowing. We're going through this winter storm here, and look how much is on the table out there. Let's go to the front. All right. Oh, my son's outside shoveling. And let me open the door. It's cold. I'm just up making breakfast. Some sausage, grits, and potatoes. All right, gotta get dressed. During this little snowstorm that we have more snow coming tonight, some more later on this week. King needs dog food, so we gotta go out here in it. So come on, y'all, let's get out here in the snow. All right, we're out here. My daughter coming, get in the car with us. Watch this. I don't know where we're gonna find out. That's gonna be open, maybe somewhere close by. I gotta fix my Timberlands. Let me get that together. I'll get back on her in a minute.
I better fall back. I don't mean to mislead her.
If she believes every word that I said, I take it all back. She playing follow the leader. That doesn't mean that I ain't gotta leave her. I wonder, she's so happy when she's next to me. Thought she had me, baby, really thought she had me.
Alright,
But that isn't
you want some pizza
recipe
rolls?
for my money.
Alright, just some.
There is nobody.
Yes, we have plenty of ranch.
Give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. But that isn't in the recipe, baby.
I don't know if it's a certain brand. Alright, we got what we needed. He's back there, that man. Time to check out. Oh, back to me. Oh, thank you. We got everything we needed, plus some charcoal, just in case. Headed home. Alright, we're back at home. Finished. We went to Myers. Got some stuff from Myers. Got some charcoal just in case if the lights go out. In case the lights go out because of the storm. It's not at the liquor store. This is not what I normally drink, but the prices for that at that said liquor store was too much. They're outside, and I'm going to put all the stuff up and get on the computer. I got stuff I have to do. Yeah, and I got some sausage for tomorrow. Shrimp scampi. Mine is tuna fish, grilled tuna fish with potato wedges. Good morning. All right, the boys, they're both at work. Should I say the men? They're both at work. So it's just me and Demia. I'm getting started late, y'all. It is 11:41. I should have already been up, but I couldn't sleep. I woke up, then I was tossing and turning, and now I'm up and going. So we're not gonna let that stop us. I'm gonna cook some breakfast, and then my main plan is to clean out my closet, rearrange it, and then hopefully the snow is a lot better so I can go out and register for my classes tomorrow. So let me cook this. I'll show y'all how my food looks so I can get done. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to start on my closet. Nope, I'm not going to show y'all. I will show you when I redo it, but you're not going to see it this time. But it is, what time is it? 1:42. Let's see how long this takes me. So, hey Google, play 90s R&B.
Got it. Here's a Spotify playlist called I Love My 90s R&B.
Let's see what it plays. All right, okay. Let me turn this up and I'll see you all when I'm done. Okay, as you see, I'm going to grill. I got done with my closet around 5 o'clock. So now I'm gonna put on some steaks, baked potato, and some shrimp. Yep. How cold is it outside? Let's see how cold it is. It is, come on, 25 degrees. Ain't that cold? All right, so yes, I'm out here. Now I have some bologna in my ribeye. I don't like my ribeye, nothing but well done. And this is my scenery. It's so quiet out here. So quiet. And cold. Here's mine. Well done. Baked potato with cheese. I'm gonna add some roof over honey, some salad. The snow's trying to melt, so I gotta go out here, y'all, and figure out my schedule for school. Boy. Did I tell you all that I do not like my hair? This, excuse me, get a better angle, y'all. Shit. There we go. I don't like it. It'll grow back. It's fine, but don't like it. So we're gonna put on my Timberlands here and hit the road. Y'all, as I was saying before, I'm not coming by myself. My daughter's coming with me. Why is my hair doing that? Damn it. Act right, bitch. She's coming with me. I don't know why she wants to. Why the? Come on. I think she just wants to go to see how it is for me. But she's coming, and as always, I'm waiting on her. So, as soon as she gets in the car, we'll start going. But I don't like going downtown. I do, but I don't mind it. But my husband's like, be careful out here in the snow. People don't know how to drive. I get that, but I got time for my classes, so here we go. So after this, I'm going to end this vlog because you all don't watch the whole vlog anyways, right? And you bring snacks because what? Huh?
What you mean? Whole chip in the mouth.
So what?
Whole chip in the mouth.
Whole chip in the mouth.
Yes.
What's up? Are you looking away for a reason? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
No.
Yes. Alright. Gotta pay for parking. Oh, pull my pants up. $5. Pay for it over there and put it in my car. Woo. I don't like these. Well, Mia, how you think about the whole process?
Too long.
Too long? It could have been worse. All right, headed to the car. Just kicking around snow and stuff. So as you can see, it's later on in the afternoon. I'm all set up for my classes, so I'm just waiting on some things to come through with my financial aid. So with that, but I'm going to end this vlog right here. So if you like what you've seen so far, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next week.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess